back to another Science at Home video. For today's experiment, we're going to be making a compass using paper clips and a refrigerator magnet. For this experiment, you're also going to need a little bit of paper towel, and you'll want a glass with some water in it. If it's clear, it'll help you out see what's going on a little bit better, but it doesn't have to be. There's really kind of two parts to this experiment. So part one is going to be rubbing a paper clip on your magnet, which will actually magnetize that paper clip. And then the trickier part is part two. You'll need to actually use the surface tension, which we've talked about before with water, to get your paper clip to float on top of the water here. And once it's floating freely, it'll align itself to the Earth's magnetic North Pole. So one of the ways I found to really make this easier is to make a paper clip dropper. So I take my paper clip and I'm going to bend it like this. So I've got a pretty flat surface here. And that will allow me to then balance my paperclip on there and slowly lower it into the water to make it a bit easier. So I'm going to take my paperclip that I want to be our magnet, or our compass I should say. I'm going to rub it on my magnet. And then, like I said, the tricky part is trying to then very gently and you'll see it's starting to turn on its own a little bit here. And so usually the end that's got a little more of the paperclip to it will end up being your northern point on it. You can see there we go, and it's now pointing that way, which for us is north. Another fun thing you can do is if you do bring your magnet near it then, once it's in the water, you might be able to influence that. My magnet's not too strong, it might not work. You can even, if you have a strong enough magnet, pull the paperclip underwater then too, which is also pretty fun to try out. So hopefully you enjoyed that quick little experiment, and post your results to it and let us know how it goes. Magnetic north. So the first thing that we're going to do here is, typically what I like to do is create a little paperclip dropper for this.